Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by positioning the playhead on the exact frame you want. Use the arrow keys for single frame precision. Make sure your sequence settings match your desired output, frame size, aspect ratio, and color space, because capture relies on that. Once done, lower playback resolution to 1/2 if real-time stutters occur, but switch to full for the final export. Also, disable any temporal effects momentarily so the captured still reflects the original pixel values. This avoids unexpected motion blur or frame blends. You now use the program monitor's Export Frame button. Click the camera icon to open the dialog. Choose PNG for lossless quality or JPEG for smaller files, then type a clear file name and pick a folder where you can find the image later. Make sure the format, color profile, and bit depth match your needs. For color-critical work, choose a 16-bit option or export from an adjusted render. If you plan to reuse the still in your edit, tick Import into Project, otherwise leave it unchecked to save disk clutter. Finally, you can export a still via File Export Media when you need custom codecs, scaling, or multiple frames. Set the timecode range to current frame and export a high-resolution render if heavy effects are applied. Once the export finishes, verify dimensions and color accuracy in a reference viewer. If you get unexpected artifacts or color shifts, check sequence color space, GPU render settings, and whether any LUTs or effects are bypassed. Re-render at full quality after correcting those issues to ensure a faithful captured image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.